Nina bengashana kamenze yaphuza umlaza ngameva sikhuleka kunina siyabuya la sisethembisa eJiyani la sikhona khona sivakashele la inkakha yomelaphi wendabuko udokotela umsimango ukubheka nje indlela asebenza ngayo ukuthi usebenza kanjani kahle hle uma asebenza igama kuxolana kupastor Winningi asikubingelele sikomukele wena ngichannel qhubeka kube ingxenye yazi ingxoxo nanokuthi ke siqinisekise ukuthi kumele uthulandelele uma ukuthi kukhona ungakutholi kahle wamukele ukuthi ubuze kunokuthi bese wenza your own judgment kanti mhlawumbe awubuzanga dokotela sikubingelele sikomukele.
Ngibonga kakhulu futhi ufika kwakho nokuphuthuma futhi.
Ngifuna mhlawumbe before singena into details kodwa siqale sibheke indlela udokotela asebenza ngayo sizoqala sibheke la ukuthi njengoba njengomelaphi wendabuko kuba nabantu osebenza ngabo ngendlela osebenza ngayo in terms of payments yabo ukuthi mhlawumbe vele i-service oyenzile iyabhadalelwa. Ngifuna ukubheka ukuthi uma umuntu efuna i-service kuwe dokotela ubhadala before ethola i-service noma uthola i-service iqala bese uyabhadala?
No, uthi nje lafika babe nasesiyathu kwe-service usinafika lapho ke nasicala kumlapha ufuna ikhiphe inkomo yami phansi ba ngoba nami sengisuka umsayini idalata ami ngisuka umsayini amakhamba ami ngisuka umsayini amandla ami ngisuka umsayini isikhathi sami ukuthi ngiqonze kulento le ngifuna kuyiwina lento le
kahle hle futhi lokho abathi isikhulu kuthiwa uyakhanyisa
inkomo yokukhanyisa
imvula sikhwama
yebo baba
awuveli uvula isikhwama ungakaqali ukulasha uvula isikhwama mase qala iprocess yokusetshenzwa.
Yes isikhwama into sivula nokuthi sesigugulile la ngempilo yakho la sengila khona ngivula ke isikhwama sami ukuthi sesizwene mina nawe ukuthi manje soyaqala baba umsimango uyangilapha manje inkomo yami beyingaka nabona ukuthi ingehla kwamandla akho siyahlala phansi naloko sikhulume ukuthi ngoba uthi uphethe lokungaka ngathanda ukuthi ulolo kusele ukhiphe kanjena kanje sekukhona lokuthi vele nami lento lento uyayikhipha iyangikhama ngala kulabo dokolwane bami vele ngithi ayi umuntu enkosi bengifisile ukunqedza ukuthi aqha ngiyakhameka mina esayidini lami ngala ngiyafuna lokunqedza wena la
ngifuna ukubheka la ukuthi kuyenzeka yini umuntu umethi nje dokotela ngifuna ukubona ngifuna mhlawumbe ukuzokubona bese uthi nayi awufaka imali engaka kuqala eSpa noma ufaka imali engaka ebanki noma ufaka imali engaka la ifakwa khona bese andibuza ngibona isimple ezinyana leso uyinto oyenzayo le noma awuyenzi umuntu umefuna ukubona wenza njani?
Cha babe ngidayibeka kahle igcame kubalaleli nasemaviyo asemakhaya emafonini laba khona mina nafuna ukungibona ukuthi uyangibona nje unemibuzo ufuna ukuyibuza personally ungeza ubaba umsimango uzobuza lokho akubhathaliswa umuntu ungeza uzobuza ngoba bathi indlela ecela kulaba phambili but nangabe uthi wena sofuna kwathi deeply ngezinto zakho sifuna siye lapha emathambeni sokufuna ukuthi ukhanyise edalweni ukhokhele maybe njengamathamba ama-300 shothi sesigukuhlola sesigugula impilo yakho lapha usangibuza sengilami ngigijima nezidalwa zakho khona ufuna kwazi umhambo wakho ingadi yakho impilo yakho simo sakho inhlanhla yakho uchecker etinhlolweni but ukungibuza nje personal njengalabo abafuna kubabuze babe ngiphuphe iphupho ethize babe ngiphuphe ibhayelithize babe ngiphuphe ini babe ngiphuphe ngikhanywa kumbe ngiphuphe inyozi ngiluma imibuzo ngiyayiphendula babe ngoba umuntu angeke umuntu eze kuwe uacela umhlahlandlela kodwa wena awumniki lo ngumhlahlandlela lo umhlahlandlela uqela indlela ukuthi lo ngibona lo ukuchaza ukuthi mangiye kuphi ungiphushela kuyiphi position.
Ngamanye amazwi udokotela uthi in short akukho la khona umuntu umeka afuna ukubona nje esathi udokotela ngifuna ukufika lapho ufuna ukubona ukuthi hayi awugijime eqala ukuye ebhange ufike uhohlozela imali engaka noma awuye Spa ufike uhohloza imali engaka akukho lo.
Hayi cha kumsima ngakukho lokho babe ngubeke igqame nje akukho ukuthi hamba ufaka imali ukuze uzobona mina ngiyakutshela ukuthi inhlolo zami zing300 nawe uthi uzongibona ungeza babe ngihlala i230 Jiyani ungeza mama ngihlala i230 Jiyani angithi uzongibona nje unesifiso esithize ukuthi ngifuna ukukhuluma nalo baba maybe kukhona into angangiweta kuyo ngomlomo thi umlomo hayi ngemithi yami hayi ngenhlolo zami uza nje mahala umuntu nje baba ngizokubonana naye sizoxoxa ngizomtshela nje ukuthi hayi ngoba uthi uze ngenkulumo wena la uzongenela ngale kugogo endlini ungihlalele khona sitting room uyibhekele iTV ngoba lento yakho ukuxoxa inkulumo kodwa nangabe uze endumbeni sokutawusho kuwo ukuthi ubaba Msimangu ngizela ngizobheka ngempilo yami la obaba Msimangu ngizela ngizolanda ngizofuna isigubhu sengushovela kamkhulu o na uzobheka impilo yakho ngushovela la sikhona manje kagogo ukuthi uzobheka ngempilo yakho lokho akucost imali ukukhuluma ngomlomo ukuthi ngikhulume nawe akukho la cost imali khona ukucosta ukuthi sesingena la endumbeni so dobona odokolwane bakaMsimangu uzokhuluma phambi kwabodokolwane bakaMsimangu so lapho khona kuba nale consideration ukuthi uzokhipha leyo 300 sibhule nangabe maybe lento yakho uthi ufuna ukuzongitshela and uzoyilungisa uyayazi lento awufuna ukugugula uvela usho baba Msimangu mina lana nginenkinga ethize ngifuna ukuzolungisa yona straight angifuna ukubhula singena la singena khona babe sihlale entweni
ngifuna ukubheka la dokotela ukuthi usike sathola isimo la khona ngathi uthi kusetshenziswa inamba yakho kwaba khona nje umuntu ohack inamba yakho wasenza inamba yakho ukufuna abantu imali esimene njalo ngaphawula uthini mhlawumbe isimo esinjalo ubhekane naso kanjani uthole kanjani uzwe kanjani ukuthi hayi inamba yakho sekhona soyisebenzisa ngasese ukufuna imali kubantu
babe ngidakubeka nje gqame kubalaleli nemaviewers emakhaya la ubaba Msimangu ngitholakala ebhudi ngihamba le weekend le siphuma kuyo ngihambe on Friday ntambama bengikhombe amabombo ngalakithi ekhaya ngikho kade ngokufuna nje ukuthi ama clients ami lento yabona iyaphela and angifuni bahlupheke ngize ngihambile kahle kwaba nebantu enqoqa nabo nje endleleni bangifonela babe sibuza lokhu sibuza lokhu abamnandi kwaba nje nangifika ekhaya ngalala on Friday kuzosa kube uSaturday nangivuka ekseni ngithi ngifuna ukukhuluma na someone ngimpromise ukuthi hayi ngikhathele manje ngizokuthinta kusasa ngibuye kuwe ngikhulume nawe nangithi ngiyamthinta lo muntu ngithi check amanamba awekho babe efonini ngithi ngena ku WhatsApp ngithula WhatsApp ayikho efonini nangithi ngithola ifoni ithi no network ngicaba ukuthi ngoba ngisemakhaya leni emaholokohlweni ngenze network ayikho lase ngibheka kulelenye ifoni ngithola ukuthi inetwork ikhona ngapha ayikho ngenhlanhla ngoba abanye ama clients ami banayo le number enye engisebenzisa kimi nogogo bafona kuwe ukuthi baba Msimangu man ngicela ukufonela manje ngizwa ngathi ukhuluma ngemali yani le mali it's whereby ngayicash up lento ukuthi kuna something wrong lenzeka la because ngamfonela ukhuluma nami manje athi manje ngicela ukukhuluma nawe but that voice I seems I see the voice yakho esiyaziyo ngiyaziyo mina then from then ngisenganaka ibhuti ngiqeda ukukhuluma naye kwangena enye call futhi baba Msimangu imali yani ngoba mina angiconsultile ngibhadalile but le mali oyifunako iyathusa baba Msimangu ngathi no lase ngazama ke ibhuti ukuthi ngene true ka Vodacom bangitshela ukuthi on weekend abayisebenzi lento leyo ke is a scam ngabuza ukuthi lo muntu ungene kanjani in my SIM card because i SIM card nawe ni SIM swipe kunaba question ababuza wona ka Vodacom ukuthi uqineni ukuthenga airtime ukwaboleke airtime uwachange ama data ithini ID number yakho so ngaba na linking ukuthi lo muntu ungene kanjani in my SIM card okay anyway because I didn't have power that was weekend I came back quickly responsible on Saturday ngifike la ekhaya ngaqabanga ngabo 7:30 on Saturday kuzoza kube ngiSunday I've been drive even to airport Kempton Park or Oscar to found out ukuthi ngifuna ishop ekuthiwa iVodacom nangabe ivulile I found there was closed then I go back ka Vodacom bangitshela ukuthi no you do it on Monday in Warawara then it's whereby ngazama kufonela those people linking nama contact up and then there's one lady from UK normally benginoqoqa naye nje one of my clients is busy nje ngezinto zakhe and sasemgaqathi nokuba busy ngezinto zakhe she's the one that she traced these people until we found out it's a really scam la because low muntu ufuna imali in that lady I still have the voice note of that lady my WhatsApp akhe sonosikhuluma sifonelana then that lady athi no baba Msimangu I'll push them in a corner kuthi bangasheshi ba drop lento yabo and then you get all of him and then there's one guy is a police you stay in Hillbrow usebenza na Hillbrow phethe ngathi station like and then wangifonela wathi no Mzizi we could just call him Mzimzizi because dala nginaye sisibizana ngathi siyihlobo kanti we are not families Mzilana I found a problem lo muntu ngiyamfonela and uyebamba ifoni and this guy ufuna imali ukuthi ngimfakele imali ngoba nje nathi inkinga leto babe but izolo ke ngihamba phezulu ngayi police station bathi babita ama CID ukuthi ba same to the police ama-police ngiwanikele number bamfonele lo muntu he still picked up the phone ufuna imali nganga 5,000 rand ukuthi yena ababhule over the phone So
Yeah.
so into leyenzeka ke babe lapho ke kwatholakala ukuthi naku ngiyahamba ke ngilalamaphoyisa siyothola lawo ma-ID bayenda leyo case yakhona bayivula. Then they give me a paper ukuthi ngishone ka Vodacom ngaya ka Vodacom. Then ka Vodacom I don't want to lie, but I make such a huge noise because bebangitshela ukuthi this SIM card of mine ifuna ithatha 11 days ngathi there's no such 11 days because lento yenilena I didn't ngicela kuzi voice lami ninte ndi SIM swipe nami khona. Then I was screaming I was screaming like hell ukuthi vele wonke ama customer wonke ayabheka ukuthi like I'm mad, but bengahlanyi because I was fighting for my rights. Then what happened, lo babithi manager yathi no buya ngalana sikhulume yathi kimi yini baba Msimanga yini inkinga yakho amchazela ukuthi inkinga yami ngilena yathi no man, I will push it, let me phone MTN because the number bese bayithathe ingene ka MTN bathi
bayiphote from Vodacom to
MTN bayiphothile baba. So lo manager afonela ka MTN bathi bayivala immediately, but WhatsApp is already on the whole day, so yamsebenzela lo muntu. So manje bakasakhishima because nama I did try him to another phone
WhatsApp.
Wangiphendula nje izinto sakufuna imali bo 1000 ukuthi angibhule yini izinto zifana nalezo. So I did manage ukuthi ngisuke khona ukuthi bathi ngilinze almost 4 hours bayenda the SIM swipe again bona bazenzela bona again yabuya back number but ngilinde 4 hours ukuthi ngifake. So kune secret lengiyenzile ukuthi niyalo no one can go through in that number. But I'm not gonna say it is guaranteed that number because I'm not working for Vodacom. Into ngizoyenza abalandeli bami enibukela i-channel ingozi. Today there's a guy that I have been ngikhuluma naye ubhuti nje is from somewhere, I won't say his name, umuntu ngisuke kudeni naye is already bought ama landline for mina. But now everybody will get me in landline next week. I think so on Sunday or Saturday babukeli nizothola inamba lensha le kufanele nifonele kuyo kwi-landline. Nami umuntu ozongifonela nge-cell phone it's like siyakhulumela nje ezinye izinto ukubuza amaphupho nani, but ama secret and things deeply ufuna wakhuluma on landline, not on cell phone, because now I prove that cell phone is not saved for nina for mina. Because omunye umuntu angathola onke ama conversation lesikhuluma wona ukuthi maybe nezida zakho zingagijimisa through cell phone. So that landline uzokhuluma nami because I'll have one in the house, I'll have one in la khona entumbeni, I'll have one at the other side angithree ama phone, but it's one number. So if the PA is going to pick it up endlini nangabe ufuna ukufaka through kimi into le agent ufuna ukukhuluma nami ngibaba Msimanga uzothi bamba kancane, I put you through njenge reception, I press iringe kimi, then is whereby sizokhuluma mina nawe la ukhona khona. Yinkinga engivelele balandeli bami engicela kononke umhlaba wonke jikelele ukuthi lapho oke wakhuluma naloyo muntu, I believe ukuthi nimvile ukuthi lo muntu is like udronkisi ukhulumela umsangano wakhe bongasuyena ubaba Msimanga.